Whether we like it or not, we will be hit by the third internet tsunami, i.e. Internet of Things. Many of us have seen the first internet tsunami, fixed internet, and the second internet tsunami, mobile internet. What many of us don't realize that as things get connected, it will bring massive transformation to our lives and the way we work. Businesses will get disrupted and probably face extinction if we are not prepared to adopt IoT. Regulators will face big challenges if they are slow in understanding the impact and make changes to their current regulation. They can remain status quo, but it will definitely stifle innovation in that country. Who will drive this third internet tsunami? They are the Generation IoT. We have heard about baby boomers, Gen X, Gen Y, also known as millennials, and the Gen Z, also known as post-millennials, but what is Gen IoT exactly? They are the pioneers in IoT, who are willing to learn and take risks and are good at building and work in teams internally and partnering externally. You can recognize these new winners not by their age or their titles, but by their ability to build and deploy agile, flexible business solutions. A new generation of leaders, makers, thinkers, and doers is meeting that change with flexibility and optimism and transforming it into opportunity. These are the people who see the transformational power of IoT-driven processes, business models, and new revenue streams. They are eager to champion and drive these opportunities in their organizations. These people know that IoT is not just one project, one training session, one change. They know that in order to succeed, they and their organizations need to adjust and relearn, over and over again.